Alright, this is the 1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe that we're working on. It's a pickup, two-door, rear-wheel drive. And what I'm doing is I'm using my floor jack, a 3-ton, to pick up my lower control arm so I can position this piece here, that into place. But the thing about using the jack that makes it so much easier is because then you can easily tighten these. In fact, you can just thread them on mostly by hand, that one and that one. And the people who are making the ball joints say you tighten it up, and when you get close, keep tightening to the next hole, or get that lined up, don't back it off. So that's different instructions that I've had in the past, but then I've never actually put new ball joints in before, because I've always been told tighten it up and back it off, but these people say do not do that. Tighten it up, and if you have to get a little tighter to line that up, that's how you do it. So that's my new lower ball joint in place. I greased it, and I greased the top one also. And there you go. I got to put my tie rod on. Brake assembly will go here. That's all nice and clean, ready to go. This is loose. I made sure it'll bleed. I can bleed those brakes easy. And that's the piece that holds the new hose in place. The new hose. Always make sure those washers are in place. One's got to go on each side of this here, or it will leak. So the hose assembly goes onto this. The brake caliper goes there. It isn't brand new, but I do got it all cleaned up and it works good. So that's it for today from John Rudy at Rudy Racing.